Good morning, students. Today I am going to explain lesson 14 of your grammar book. The topic is pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronouns are used for or in place of nouns. It is a part of speech which is used in place of noun to avoid repetition. A pronoun makes a sentence simpler and shorter. It is easy to read and understand. प्रोनाउन क्या होते हैं? जो वर्ड, जो संख्या के स्थान पे जो वर्ड हम प्रयुक्त करते हैं उन्हें हम प्रोनाउन कहते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, ही, शी, इट, दीज ऑल आर प्रोनाउन्स. वी यूज ही एंड हिम in place of male gender, he, she for female gender, and it for non-living things. Now I am going to explain exercise A. Look at exercise A. Underline the pronouns in the following sentence. Read the sentences and find out the pronoun. Sita told Geeta that she should work hard. Here pronoun is she, that is used in place of Geeta. And in the second sentence, Rima's mother told her to rest. Here pronoun is her. Okay, now rest of the exercise you do yourself. And now I am going to explain exercise B. Rewrite the following passage by replacing the underlined words with the pronoun given in the bracket. आपको इस पैसेज जो है दोबारा लिखना है और जो अंडरलाइन वर्ड्स हैं, जो नाउन है अंडरलाइन, उनकी जगह हमें प्रोनाउन को यूज़ करना है. ओके. टॉमी द डॉग wanted to grow horns like Gauri the cow. Actually, the one day Tommy ran after Gauri and Gauri scared him by pointing her horns towards Tommy. Here Gauri, first underlined word is Gauri. Gauri is a cow. We use she for Gauri and we use him or he for Tommy. Here we use him for Tommy. And one word, underlined word is hairband. Hairband is a non-living thing. We use it for hairband. Okay. So read the passage carefully and underline and write pronoun for the underlined word. Okay. Now I am going to explain what is possessive pronoun. Mine, yours, ours, his, hers, and theirs are possessive pronoun because they show that something belongs to somebody. Okay. So mine, yours, ours, these all are possessive pronoun. Read the following sentences to understand the use of different possessive pronoun. अब इन sentences को आप पढ़ेंगे जिससे हमें और clear होगा कि what is possessive pronoun. The book belongs to me. The book is mine. Okay. The book belongs to you. The book is yours. The book belongs to us. The book is ours. Okay. The book belongs to him. The book is his. Okay. So read these sentences. Now I am going to explain exercise C. Rewrite the sentences using possessive pronoun. Okay. Read the sentences and use possessive pronoun. That car belongs to him. So now the sentence is that car is his. The doll belongs to her. The doll is hers. Okay. For them, theirs. Me, mine. You, yours. You all, yours. Okay. Now what is personal pronoun? अभी आपने possessive pronoun समझा. Me, mine, ours, this, his, hers, theirs. These all are possessive pronoun. Now I am going to explain what is personal pronoun. Personal pronoun are the pronoun used in place of people, animal or thing. Pronouns have different form. Pronouns की different forms होती हैं. The first person, the speaker. First person कौन होता है? जो speaker है, जो बोल रहा है. And second person, the person we are speaking to. जिससे हम बात कर रहे हैं वो second person होता है. जैसे कि मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो मैं स्पीकर हूँ, फर्स्ट पर्सन हूँ, और मैं आपसे बात कर रही हूँ तो आप सेकेंड पर्सन हो, यू. ओके. नाउ थर्ड पर्सन whom we are speaking, जिसके बारे में हम बात कर रहे होते हैं वो थर्ड पर्सन होता है, जैसे कि ही, शी, इट, दे. ओके. नाउ Look at exercise E. Underline the pronouns and write against each sentence the form of pronoun or personal use. State whether it is a first person, second person and third person. First you read the sentence and underline the pronoun first, and then write that whether it is a first person, second or third person. Lions are royal animals. They are called the king of jungle. Here the pronoun is they and they is third person. Okay. I like the cake made by mother. Here I is pronoun and it is first person. You are such a soft spoken person. Here you is pronoun and you is second person. Okay. Now try to solve this exercise yourself. Now exercise F. Fill in the blanks with correct form of personal pronoun. आप इन sentences को पढ़ो और फिर personal pronoun से इसको fill करो. Please come here. Dash wants to talk to you. Please come here. I want to talk to you. Okay. Come and tell Dash what happened. Come and tell me what happened. Okay. My mother told Dash about my great grandfather. My mother told me. Okay. So you all of you try to solve the rest of the exercise yourself. Now सिंगुलर एंड प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस. जैसे कि नाउन में सिंगुलर और प्लूरल होता है, सिमिलरली प्रोनाउन में भी सिंगुलर और प्लूरल होता है. ओके. जैसे शी हम एक गर्ल के लिए यूज़ करते हैं एंड ही फॉर अ बॉय, वन बॉय. सो इट इज़ अ सिंगुलर प्रोनाउन. एंड वी एंड दे, देम, अस, दीज आर प्लूरल प्रोनाउंस. नाउ जेंडर्स. इसी तरह से जैसे अभी हमने नाउन्स में जेंडर्स होते हैं, सिमिलरली प्रोनाउंस में भी जेंडर होते हैं. आई हैव एक्सप्लेन इट अर्लियर ऑल्सो. ही एंड हिम फॉर मैस्कुलाइन, शी एंड हर फॉर फेमिनाइन, आई, वी, मी, अस, दे आर कॉमन प्रोनाउंस and neuter is it. Okay. Exercise G. Underline the pronoun in the following sentences. Read the sentences and underline the personal pronouns. Now I am going to explain sentence 1. She painted a picture for us. We like it a lot. Here she, us, we, it. These all are personal pronoun. Okay. So I hope this topic is clear to you. Thank you and